Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop. So first of all, we're gonna have to enable our Bluetooth device and put it into pairing mode. While your device is in pairing mode, its LED indicator blinks rapidly. Now to achieve this effect, you have to either use the specific combination on your device's power button, or if you don't know which combination does it, you can check the manual to your device. And after that, we're gonna have to open the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to Bluetooth settings by clicking the arrow icon next to Bluetooth. Then click pair new device and select your device here from the list. Wait until it's paired. And that's it. Now to unpair your device, reopen the control center, go back to Bluetooth devices list, select your Bluetooth device right here, and then select forget, confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.